going to go dead straight down here. And we're going to go all the way down to the bottom. Just keep it going nice and straight. And just use this chance just here, just to go sort of on and off the power. Just so you can get a feel for how it responds to things we do.
You're very responsive in this.
Just a bit, yeah. So just try the brake pedal now, see what that does. Okay. Right, now we're going to go left just here a bit, and this is where you're going to notice the difference of steering to the car. You have to really want to lock the lock on to make it go. So we're going to go right, and I want you to stay nice and close to the orange cones.
Right round it?
No, we're going to go left and exit it, and go all the way back up to the other end of the circuit. So I want you to just give us a bit of power, and a bit more, and a bit more. Go on, wind it down. Okay, now let's press the brake. Right, we're going to go over to the white line on the left. And then we're going to go around that orange cone right there.
It's on here?
Yes. We're going to go right around it. Right. Super. Now I want you to go in and out of the little orange cones this time. So I'm going to slow my way down. Left a little bit, and we're going to follow the dotted white line all the way up to the top end of the circuit. Man, keep it going. I'd like you to press that brake pedal down. You stay to the left just here. Slow it right down and go around that orange cone. Right. Beautiful. Let's wind away and out to the orange cone. So all the way over to the right. Left, right, all the way down. Beautiful. Keep it going. And then keep on the left hand side of the exit of this. Top stuff and then brake again. Left a bit. Around the outside of all these orange cones, please. Left a little bit and follow the dotted line all the way up to the top end, please. Right, let's give it some power. Brilliant. Now get ready to brake. Okay, good man. Nice and slow in. Careful with the power on the way out. You're going to wind your way down the slalom. Just stay nice and close to the orange cones and remember to look way ahead. And just a little bit more speed than that. That's it, go. What do you think then?
Amazing, yeah.
So slow it down again.
It's the kick.
Yeah.
It changes.
Yeah. Okay, then follow that dotted line again. And just gently roll on that power again. More power. Just watch the bubble on the left. Super, and then big load of brake pedal. Steady on the exit of this. Wind away down here. Right, left, all the way down. Stay on the left. Big load of brake. Around the outside of this, please. Follow that dotted line all the way up to the top. Off we go. Okay, brake pedal into. Nice one. can't stamp on it, you just have to like roll it up. But you're doing that anyway, so that's good. Cool, just slow down for that big cone there. Nice one. We'll wind our way down here again. Stuff, keep it going. Brake. Cool, keep it going. So how long have you been doing the karting for?
Oh god, I can't remember now. It's quite a while because I remember the first time I done it, I cried because it was a single, it was a double seater.
Yeah.
And I just
When in the passenger seat?
yeah, over 70 mile an hour, I just got chucked straight in it. And that was
Is that right?
That was quite scary.
So, and then how often do you oh, we stopped it. Wrong pedal. And then how often do you go?
Well, I've stopped it at the moment because the maintenance down there, the car's just terrible at the moment.
Yes.
But as soon as it starts up again, I'll be straight back down there. But
Just slow down a bit.
as soon as we hear anything that's got a little bit better, then I'll be back down there. But
Yeah, cool.
I enjoy it such a lot.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. It's the best way to get involved in motorsports, I think. Okay, good load of brake. Swing it around this big orange cone again. Nice one, keep it going. So is that fairly local to you then? Is that how you managed to get that sort of?
Yeah, I live in Sittingbourne.
Well, yeah, I've heard of it, but I don't really know where it is.
I live in a small town village called Tenham.
Okay.
It's not too far away, it's about 20 minutes.
Do you know any of the other car circuits, like sort of from the rest of the country? Do you read Karting magazine or anything like that?
No, I don't really read off. I've got a few at home, but
Slow it down a little bit. We're going to go straight ahead. Because my local is Paul Fletcher International, so that'll get fine. It's going to go between the green cones this time, so we're going to go park up actually. So we're going to go close to the white line. I'm going to swing it around to the right. Actually, park to the right hand side of the Ferrari, please. So right around there. Top stuff. Just to the right of that car. And bring it to a nice halt. Spot on. That'll do me.